Hey, what's up everybody? This is Tay and I'm back again hitting you up style like Luke Cantrell, and I am going to be showing you how I style my new London version hair. So I'm going to be trying to style it into a bob, so if you are interested in see on how I do it, please keep watching. So of course, once again, we're going to attach our wigs using the Got to Be Glued. I'm just using a thin strip of that across my forehead near my hairline, and I'm going to lay my wig down on that and press that down with a comb just to make sure that the wig is attached to my actual head. Now, to be honest with you, when I went in and started doing this process of shaping the hair, I didn't go in with a rhyme or reason. I kind of just went with the flow, see how my hands kind of guided me, and I also didn't have the proper scissors for the look I'm trying to execute. However, the look did come out cute. I'm just letting you know that I didn't have the exact tools that I did need to give that blunt bob that I was going for, but the look ended up being fire anyway, so it's okay. So what I'm doing right now is I'm just cutting a layer to match the frontal, because the frontal is 10 inches and the rest of the hair is 12 inches, so it kind of layered in a natural pattern because of the way that the lengths were given to me. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make it all pretty much one length, and I'm trying to get it all 10 inches straight across from side to side and also through the back. What I found useful in this process was actually going in and taking my flat iron and pressing out the hair so that it could show me where my mistakes were. Like if I didn't get a perfect straight line, flat ironing it out kind of helped pretty much show where the incorrect layer was. So flatten the hair, then go ahead and proceed to cut. You'll see all of the little mistakes that you made. So I'm just going to repeat that process throughout the whole entire head, which is cutting, then flat ironing, cutting and flat ironing, so that way I could just see exactly how the hair is going to lay once I actually sit down and flat iron it and style it for the day. So here what you're seeing me doing is tweezing and plucking out a hairline, but I want to go in and just take out a little bit of the hair in the front so that it has more of a natural look. What I personally like to do is part a section off with the baby hairs like you see right here, and then go ahead and do some plucking. What's up, this is Tay. I'm back with a new video, and this video is going to be about hair. So the hair that I'm wearing today is by London Version Hair, and as you can see, I cut it and shaped it into kind of like a bob, but not really a bob, but I don't really know where to categorize this, but pluck out the hair. It kind of feels like a bob to me, but not really. Anyway, I have a full frontal here in the front, and then I have track sewn into a cap in the back. That was pretty much my construction for making this wig. It's a fairly awesome wig. I do like the texture of the hair. It's nice and soft and smooth and supple. I don't know, it gives me presidential tease. I feel like Hillary Clinton would love this wig. The way that I cut it, at least. But it's very nice, very business friendly the way that it came out. I got 3 packs of
12-inch and then one 10-inch frontal. So I didn't even use all of my bundles for this. I used maybe about 2 bundles, so I have one full bundle left over. Because the frontal is so full, I wasn't able to kind of fit any more hair on it, or else it would look like, you know, really, really big. So yeah, that's pretty much how it came out. I'm gonna get closer, you can kind of see the lace here. And yeah, that's the wig. I'm gonna turn around so you can see the back. Excuse all this hair on my chest. I just you know, was cutting it, as you can see. But that's how it's looking. Anyway, I'm going to see how I end up shaping this hair. I might continue to cut it and make it more, you know, blunt. I'm trying my best to make it as blunt as possible. But it's kind of hard when you don't have the proper shearing scissors that I need, but I'm making it work. But anyway, thank you very much for watching. You'll see me soon. I want to do a tutorial on a cut crease that I've been planning in my head for a while. So you'll end up seeing that shortly. And you all have a wonderful, blessed evening. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye.